What's up, man? Currently I'm sitting at Starbucks. Oh my goodness. Waiting for my ice cream. What is up, Langs gang? So I got some cash out of the ATM machine because I have an eye exam today. You guys saw me earlier when I was at Starbucks. I got a grande cinnamon dolce latte. Right now I'm going to change my clothes. I'm going to put on this Keesler Blood Donation Center shirt and some shorts and my sneakers. And then I'm going to get ready to go back to the basic exchange because I have an eye appointment at 1 to get contacts. So you know your girl won't be blind anymore. It's nice outside, but it's also like cold outside sometimes. So let me show you guys what I got from the basic exchange. I got a whole lot of stuff from the basic exchange. I spent $170 worth of stuff from the BX. Every time I go into that store, I'm spending hundreds of dollars. It's ridiculous. Okay, so first thing I got is a work-related thing. I got a ball cap because I am sick and tired of wearing my patrol cap, and I feel like this just looks better. So got one of these and put that in my work bag, and then I got a portable charger. I don't think it came with a charger to charge the portable charger, but it did come with this nice mesh bag, which this portable charger I'm gonna put in my work bag once I charge it, obviously. It never fails. Every time I'm recording, the jets want to fly by. I'm turning into a book girly, but anyway, since I've got here, I've been like anxious and overwhelmed and stressed, and I've been like turning to God. But I also found this book. It's called Put an X Through Anxiety. I'm gonna read this tonight because Lord knows. And this is by Louis Galileo. I think that's how you pronounce it. And then I got Living Free from Comparison and The Need to Please. Being Authentically, Uniquely You by Joyce Meyer. And I got some surge outlets because I want to move all of this that you guys are sitting on over there, so that way it's not next to the bathroom. I got two because I think I'm gonna put the microwave back on top of the refrigerator. Yeah, so that's where we're at with that. And then I got this dip powder set so that I can do my nails, but I forgot the nail polish remover and a top coat. I don't have a top coat either, so I got a nail filer. And then they were having this deal, get 3 for $33. So I got the Victoria's Secret Lavender Vanilla Exfoliating Body Scrub. And then I got the perfume and then the lotion. Because like I said, since I've gotten here, I've been overwhelmed and stressed, and it's been getting to me. And that's pretty much it. Oh, here's the charger to the portable charger. that I'm gonna start bringing to work because I need to charge my phone when I'm at work. I mean, we have outlets, but I'm too scared to plug my phone into the outlet. Okay, so I'm about to start cleaning up, and then in a second we're gonna get ready to head out. I'm probably gonna leave like 12:30-ish. I'm gonna ride the stupid bike. Oh my god. This stupid bike is gonna be the death of me. Yeah, so that's what I'm about to start doing. I have to take all my furniture out of where I have it because they're coming to change the furniture to Monday. I don't think I'm gonna take the furniture out until Sunday night. And then Monday, when I come back from work, I'm just gonna put it back in all the new furniture. I think that's what we're gonna do. But right now I'm gonna clean up because my room is a disaster. So right now I'm gonna take a break from cleaning to go to my appointment. I'm gonna leave here soon. I'm gonna be at least 15 minutes early, so then that way, if they can't take me early, if there is a room for them to take me early, they can, but if not, then I'll only be sitting there for like 15 minutes and I could just talk to my mom and them on the phone. So I'm gonna go to the bathroom and then we're gonna head out. Trying to vlog me riding the bike, but y'all, I'm still learning how to ride a bike again, so that was a no-go from the starter. I'm going to finish cleaning up and then we're gonna call the people and they better answer the phone because, yeah. Okay, so I just got out of church and it's raining. I figured it was gonna start raining. I might go to the gym. I don't know, we'll see. I wanna go to the gym and work on some upper body. Yeah, we'll see if I make it or not. I don't know, it depends. If it starts raining like harder than this, I'm not gonna go because I'm gonna have to ride my bike all the way back home. Yeah, so we are just gonna see later. Because the gym closes at 4 and it's what, like 8 right now. I need to finish doing my laundry and taking all my stuff out of my drawers and stuff because they're coming to the furniture on Monday, so I'll see you guys when I get home. Okay, as you guys saw, I went to the gym. I just got back from the commissary. I got some stuff to make lunch for the week because I don't have a vehicle yet to like go to the exchange and buy lunch, like come back home and buy lunch. So I went to the, I bet it's a hot mess, but I went to the commissary and got some stuff for lunch and like a snack at work. So let me show you what I got. I have 5 bananas. They're still green, but I have 5 bananas. I have 3 apples. I have spinach because I'm making vegetarian enchiladas. Well, vegan enchiladas. I got this coffee that I'm about to pop open because I haven't had the coffee all day. We have some canned goods. I have corn, enchilada sauce, right, beans. Then I have these little juice packets. Some vegan cheese. This is the chow cheese. I'm gonna try a slice or half of a slice of it. We got some tortillas. Let me wash my hands and we're gonna try some of this cheese. I'm gonna tell you if I like it. I want to figure out how to make my own vegan cheese. If this kind is good, I'm gonna figure out how to make this exact cheese. You know what? Got something better. They might group. No, trust me, no. I can't even get the cheese out. So, you guys know I went to church this morning, right? So, they were like, if you're new here, stand up so we can, like, welcome you. And then the lady's like, come on, stand up. And I'm just like, no, thank you, ma'am. I did not want to stand up. She's like, I'll stand up with you. And I'm like, no. Anyway. It smells like plastic. It tastes like cheese, but it also tastes like plastic. So I don't know how I feel about that. I have mixed feelings about this cheese. It's good, but it tastes like plastic. It smells like plastic. Girl, I don't know. Anyway, so I know I'm gonna start cooking, and then I'm gonna talk to the people on the phone, and I'm gonna start cooking. Yeah, I said I'm gonna start cooking like 5 times already. Okay, we're gonna start cooking.
I'm unstable and I'm unsteady. I've lost a million times already, and I'm so sorry, but I'm not able to slow me down.